Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to fix touchscreen not working. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So I will be showing you a few methods on how to fix this one. Number one, you need to restart the device. A simple reboot often solves update related bugs. Or you can also do boot into safe mode to check if third-party applications are causing the issue. Step 2. Free app storage. So, a full iPhone can slow or freeze the touch assistant. So, go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage, and remove unused application here. You can just basically offload or just remove any file, unnecessary file, because it somehow causes errors such as touchscreen not responding. So tap on offload or just delete application. Now the next method in order for you to fix this one is to reset all settings. So what you're going to do is you have to go to settings, general, transfer or reset iPhone, reset, then reset all settings. This doesn't delete your data. So if it's a hardware issue after water damage or screen crack, you need to visit Apple Store or authorized service provider. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.